Hello, 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 and thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Soraya Marshall Wright. Welcome to The World According to Soraya. For those of you who do not know, I'm an elder law and special needs planning attorney in South Carolina, and I help families plan for the unexpected and protect their valuables. All right, so last month was Elder Law Month. We spent the entire month of May discussing various elder law related topics. This month is Pride Month. Happy Pride Month, everyone. Actually, 2019 is the 50th anniversary of the Stonewall Riots of 1969, which inspired Pride Month. So throughout the month of June, we will be covering various estate planning considerations for LGBT and non-traditional families. Now, since gay marriage was legalized several years ago, estate planning for LGBT families is not all that different from estate planning for any other family. However, there are still some unique considerations that we will discuss. I personally chose to be married to my wife because I wanted to enjoy all of the federal and state benefits that come with a legal marriage. However, I know a number of people who have been committed to their partners for decades, and they've decided not to go through a ceremonial marriage because they feel like the institution of marriage was not created for them. And I completely respect that. This week, we're going to talk about asset protection. Usually when I talk about asset protection, I'm talking about it in the context of qualifying for long-term care. However, today, we're going to talk about it through a different lens. So, even if you do not decide to actually marry your partner through a legal ceremonial marriage, it is crucial that you have an estate plan in place. Why? Because if you don't, the state where you live has already created one for you, and it will automatically mean that your blood relatives will receive your assets. Assets will be distributed based on your state's rules, and if your significant other is not your legal spouse or recognized as a common law spouse, if you live in a state that recognizes that, then you could have family members who do not even support you or support your lifestyle inheriting some of your assets. So when we're talking about asset protection, I'm actually talking about creating a plan so that your assets could be distributed to the people you want, when you want, and how you want. All right? So, if you didn't know that you absolutely need to create a plan to protect your assets if you are in an LGBT relationship or a non-traditional relationship, now you know. And I'll see you next time.